In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect domain on Lovable AI. So firstly, go to Lovable AI, log into your account and just open up your site here. So once you have your site here open, so for example, I've got this site here. So now if you want to add a domain, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link here, which is on your top right here. So click on this link here. So from there, what we're going to do, you're going to select that settings option here. So go to the settings option. So when you go to the settings option here, okay, in this screen here, so select the domains option here. So click on domains section here. So once you click on the domain section, okay, you'll see that your current connected domain is this one, so which is by default. Okay, so if you want to add a domain, like for example like a custom one or something, or you want to purchase one, so what are you going to do? You have this option here. So if you already have purchased it for already have purchased a domain, if you want to add it, so click on connect domain. Okay, so you can connect to a domain and you need to be on a subscribe plan if you haven't. So I'm not on a subscribe plan. So once you are on a subscribe plan, you just have to click on connect domain and provide the details of your domain to connect it. Or if you want to purchase it, you can simply click on buy domain and then purchase one and use that. So that's how you can add the domain. It's a very straightforward process.